Hey guys, Adam Jackson here, and we are at CES 2017, and we are at the Corsair booth. I work for Corsair, and today I want to introduce you to the K95 RGB Platinum. Now, what this does is basically mold the K70 with the K95 RGB that we originally had, but we fine-tuned it and improved it. So you'll have the brushed aluminum frame, just as you would with the K70, but one of the big features that we added for RGB, because as Corsair we always have to include RGB, we included the light edge here at the top, which is a 19-zone customizable lighting. Alongside that, with the removable wrist rest, you also have a dual-sided soft wrist rest, one that has a little bit more of a grip and feel. The other is very, very smooth, that will magnetically latch back onto it so you can get the utmost comfort for your wrists. Of course, it includes the dedicated media control, volume scroll wheel, USB pass-through, but one of the other things we included as a feature is the cable management here. The X is what we call it, and it allows you to put your headset cord right through and right to your belly, so you don't have any kind of drag or anything around the edge of the keyboard. Makes it very simple. And then last, it has onboard storage. So instead of needing to take the keyboard, plug it in, upload Q, and then install all these different things, you can actually load 3 profiles onto the keyboard so you can plug and go wherever you need to go. Also with K95 RGB Platinum, it will come in 2 colors. First will be the gunmetal gray. That will be available in North America, and then it'll also have a black variation that will be available worldwide. And of course, we always use Cherry MX switches, so with Platinum it will come with both speed and brown switches. K95 RGB Platinum will retail at $199.